Turn on the start switch. Turn on the computer, light source, laser start switch. Push the printing chamber and lock the retainers. Find the software icon on your computer and click to open it. Click the little finger icon in the upper right corner of the software. This function is a manual operation function. Find the base key, find the up arrow, and manually click it to raise the warehouse to the top. Behind the printer, open the panel, take out the printer glass, and wipe it to make it have the best light transmission effect. Reinstall. Select the file, click the Print Start button and start printing.